So he is saved by a mermaid named Lily. He thanks her for saving his life. They engage in pointless small talk with each other. It turns out she is very interested in joining him to hunt for treasure.
I've always dreamed of such an adventure.
Bad news. You're a mermaid. How the hell are you going to even get there?
I'll simply wish for a pair of legs. When a mermaid saves a human's life, she's granted a wish to last the sun and the moon.
A wish lasting a sun and a moon? I don't think it's going to even last that long to even happen. Well, okay, so she's given legs and walks with Jack back to shore to reunite with the Buccaneers and continue their journey. We then cut to Blackbeard's group as some of his henchmen fall behind as they search for food in the same area as the sand shark.
Well, I would give her a loaf of bread and a nice, big, juicy turkey leg.
Yeah, right.
Well, I'll be stuffed.
And where do you think you're going, Duckbone?
Well, there'll be a turkey tree down there, Jolly. Can't you see it?
A turkey tree, say you, huh?
It's a turkey tree now? What? What? Does the tree change the food it grows depending on what a person wishes for? Hell, if I normally came across something like that, I'd expect to see a sushi tree or maybe a Bud Light tree for that matter while you're at it. After that pointless scene, we then cut to our heroes. But look! It turns out Lily can talk to animals, and even the forest!
Thank you. I will.
Okay, she's a fucking mermaid! How does she have any connection with the forest animals?
It gave me a leaf to remember it by.
Too bad the slave won't survive in the ocean where I belong. So Miss Treehugger senses that they are being watched by other people, which is, of course, Blackbeard.
Well, truth be, Captain, these cursed branches persist in blocking my view. Ah! Well, what the blarmin' thing's off, lad? Oh, curse you, Sap! Do I have to do everything, Missy? Sorry.
Jack looks into his book and decides what to do with Blackbeard's crew when they catch up with them. He then decides to rip off Home Alone with his modern-day equipment he brought from home.
What be that noise? What? I said, what be that noise? What? I said, what could be that infernal racket? It be you hollering in me ear!
So get ready for some annoying slapstick montage.
Captain!
No! No! Oh! Stop! Not like that, you stupid nut!
After that silly attempt fails, Morgan and the rest of the crew get captured and buried in the sand. Wow, how threatening. Blackbeard tells one of the henchmen, who is in fact really gullible and stupid, to watch those guys and make sure they don't escape. No, really, just watch as Jack and Lily set up another trick to free them. I mean,
Forgive me, both of you, for involving you in such
Lord in heaven, look! Don't tell me that's the...
I'm the Island God, the one that Tumas warned you about.
I mean, seriously, No normal functioning person would find a scarecrow with apples for a face and bananas for hands with speakers attached to his head so intimidating.
Now, you either let those fucking ears go right now, or something really, really bad will happen to you. You know what? And your mother too. And your mother too!
No, my mom still has to babysit me. So, being the complete dumbass he is, passes out. Jack comes to free Morgan and his crew from the sand.
Oh, Captain, it were horrible. An island god came down from the hills with big yellow claws, and he were 30 feet tall and green. Captain, sir! Babbling wicked!
They then cut to some tiki faces, which look like some of those animatronic novelty masks you get at Spencer's. The middle one is voiced by the late Isaac Hayes. He tells them that the treasure is guarded by some giant of some sort, or something like that.
Left! You go left, okay? Now get lost!
Oh, he's lying. He's just jealous. It's right. You go right.
Right is wrong. Left is right.
The group is chased by Blackbeard's crew again and is separated. Jack and Millie are caught by Blackbeard and held hostage.
Well, go on, boy. Why don't you show us off her? Turn me into an elephant, for instance.
Well, I would, but I...
Fuck your cunt!
Wait, what?
Fuck your cunt!
Is it me, or did Blackbeard just say, fuck you cunt?
Fuck your cunt!
Let's play that again.
Fuck your cunt!
Exactly what I think about when I see this movie. He eventually convinces Jack to use his magic to help them find the treasure. So they then lead him to the temple where the treasure is supposed to be on the map.
It's right under our nose. I can smell it.
As it appears to be guarded by a giant Titan action figure. But Jack tries to fend off the monster by yet another trap. After that fake out, they head into the chamber where all the treasure is. As it turns out, it belongs to a gold faceplate of Poseidon. Huh.
All-powerful sorcerer of the seven seas.
Never heard of it!
Just turns out he doesn't want them taking his treasure or even be in his tomb. Wait a minute. Wasn't there already a guardian? They just beat a walking statue the size of a T-Rex! Why do they even need another inside the temple where the treasure is right in front of them? This makes no sense! Okay, I just want to get through this real fast. Poseidon tries to kill them in the temple, Blackbeard is turned to gold, Lily turns back into a mermaid, Jack pulls her to safety and gets her home into the water, Morgan has a jeweled rag for treasure, and Jack returns home, and that's the end of this torturous movie. My god, this was shit! I was originally going to review this in September, considerably be Pirate Month, but since this was so bad, I had to get over this trauma I had for watching this again, and realizing how much of a stupid brat I was when I wrote this whole review. It has everything that I hate about bad movies. A parallel world that exists through something else in the real world, a plot that makes no sense, sounds that don't fit in, music that doesn't fit in, shitty effects, shitty acting, and stuff that pops right the fuck out of nowhere! I just don't know what kind of mental psychosis were behind all this at Moonbeam Studios. If I do, I even rant myself to death. This is Marley Onama, signing off.